Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you the easiest way to replace the front brake pads on a Jaguar X-type by undoing just one bolt. So let's get started. Safety first. I choked the opposite side, loosened the lug nuts, lifted the car with a jack and removed the wheel. As you can see, I placed the wheel flat under the car, just in case. I'm not using a puller to push the piston back in. I hook the caliper with the lug nut wrench and pull it until the piston goes all the way in. This time I honestly forgot to check the brake fluid level. Usually I remove around 20 ml so it doesn't overflow from the reservoir. Now it's time to undo the 12 mm bolt I mentioned earlier. I use a T-handle with a 12 mm socket and hold the caliper pin with a 19 mm spanner so it doesn't turn. After removing the bolt, I lifted the caliper, held it up with a bar and took out the brake pads. Here I am unpacking a brand new set of TRW front brake pads for the Jaguar X-type. They are coming with new bolts, but I don't plan to use them because I removed only one bolt and don't plan to remove the other. I put the brake pads where they belong and lower the caliper back. I double check that the pads are properly seated with the braking surface against the rotor. Then I put the 12 mm bolt back in, holding the caliper pin with a 19 mm spanner. I finished tightening it with a T-handle, no spanner needed this time. I pump the brake pedal a few times to make sure the pads are properly seated against the rotors. Very important before driving. I also check the brake fluid level. Likes and subscriptions are always welcome.